Light's getting a little dim here, but I just wanted to show something. These are screws and nuts commonly used for compass mounting. They're stainless steel. Theoretically, it should affect the compass direction. This is 4 of them, which would be at the cardinal compass points. It does not appear to affect the direction of the compass at all. So they're not having any magnetic effect. They are having some magnetic effect. I don't think it's really going to matter to a navigator. So use brass if you must, but stainless steel is going to do the job just fine.